Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about your mistake, guys. A lot of foreigners who is trying to speak Russian use it word хорошо. It's so wrong way. And at this lesson I want to explain you how is better would be and how you would sound correctly. So first way to use the word хорошо, it's okay. So when someone at the street asks you, how are you? How was your day? You can answer okay, right? Хорошо. You can say that. So if you tell them it's well, it's fine, it's хорошо. So I can write here хорошо. It's the first way when you can use it, хорошо. It's the correct way. Next one, it can be when you say, okay, I'm going for shopping today. Will you stay at home? Maybe it's better to you stay at home. If you agree, you can say, хорошо, I can stay. Хорошо, go there. I agree with you. I agree, it means хорошо. It's also good and correct way to say хорошо. Хорошо. So, for example, for instance, if you go somewhere for buying something, for shopping, and you are wearing some dress or t-shirt or something, and you can ask your friend, is it normal my look like? How my look like? I can answer, хорошо. Like answer at your question when you want to know the truth, you know. Хорошо или плохо. Плохо, it means bad. So, хорошо. Great, well done. It's хорошо. It's a third time correct way when you can use it. But this is so important and interesting part for me. Not correct using. First one, when describe food, I write here to you, maybe put you in a note. If someone is in a restaurant, I can ask something about food and never answer хорошо. Is it tasty? Хорошо. It's like sounds like you're really foreigners and you never answer like this if you're Russian. Russian never answer to describe food. Хорошо. Never answer this way, like using word хорошо. You can say it's tasty, вкусно, вкусно. So let's say right here, вкусно. About food, just this word, вкусно. It's a tasty, not хорошо. Like sounds so weird, really, believe me. Never use it. So next one. This tasty, we put like this. Next one, if you understood or not anything. So you can say, I've understood. Do you understand? Yes, хорошо. Хорошо never can be useful in this way. So if you I've understood something or you understand something, so you can say я понял, or if you're a girl, я поняла, or another word, понятно. If you understand something, понятно. Oh, okay, понятно. If you can't say it this way, your word хорошо. Хорошо can't be at the way when you agree or disagree with something. Хорошо. So clear can be понятно. Понятно. Понятно? You should say понятно, not хорошо. Хорошо, you can't use it. So another one, I think it's the last one, but why you're using it, I don't understand, but it's like that. If you like something, you can say мне нравится. You shouldn't say хорошо. For example, about movie. If you like some movie, for example, Titanic. Titanic is a good movie. And this way, in Russian language, you can't say хорошо. You can say мне нравится. I like this movie. But you shouldn't say хорошо movie. You can say хороший фильм. Titanic – хороший фильм. So at the way хороший, the way with the adjectives, you can use it word хороший, but it's not хорошо. Хорошо, it's a word when you can use, let's repeat, it's when you agree with something. Answer, I'm well, I'm good. How do you feel? Хорошо. How it was your day? Хорошо. Great, well done. Okay, also хорошо. Not correct form. Not correct if you describe food. You should say вкусно, delicious. Not хорошо about food. Tasty, вкусно. And if you understand, it's clear. You should say понятно. Ясно. Another word. Ясно. Like I see. Ясно. Понятно. Or I've understood. Я понял. Or if I am female, я поняла. Do you understand? I hope so. And last one, again, repeat. I like it. Мне нравится. Мне нравится. Never use хорошо this way. So I hope this lesson is so understandable. And when I will ask you, do you understand everything? You shouldn't say хорошо. You should say понятно.